What you're about to witness was declared impossible. A piece of technology completely lost to decay. But its story isn't over. A hidden potential is about to be unlocked. This is not just a repair. This is a technological resurrection. Stay with us, because the final transformation is astonishing. The journey begins with a delicate deconstruction, unveiling the true extent of the damage. Years of corrosion are carefully stripped away. Beneath the rust, a flicker of its former self remains. A steady hand performs a forensic-level cleaning. Every component, no matter how small, is given a new chance. A cleansing flood washes away the past. Even the softest materials are treated with meticulous care. The process is slow, demanding immense patience. Each part is purified, prepared for its new life. Now, the heart of the machine is revived with a spark of fire and precision. The clean components lie in wait, a puzzle of renewal. The transformation is already stark. Slowly, carefully, the pieces begin to come together. A new form starts to emerge from the wreckage. The final elements are secured into place. From ruin to rebirth, the impossible is made real. The same philosophy applies to every lost treasure. A careful hand can undo the ravages of time. Each piece is methodically prepared for reassembly. Patience reveals the path to restoration. The focus shifts, but the mission remains the same. Bring back what was thought to be gone forever. Every element is treated with reverence. The shell is separated, revealing the soul within. The core components are prepared for reunion, connecting the delicate lifelines of the device. A task that requires absolute precision. Sometimes, a deeper, more transformative cleansing is needed. A chemical bath to dissolve the most stubborn decay. The pieces are reassembled with renewed purpose. And in a breathtaking moment, light returns, life returns. The once dead object is now fully functional, its purpose restored. The process repeats, a testament to dedication. Uncovering the hidden architecture beneath the grind. The purification ritual is complete. And the final result stands as a symbol of hope. The skill required is immense, honed over countless hours. It is a silent conversation between creator and creation. Each success builds towards the next, even greater challenge. A deeper understanding of how things are made. And how they can be unmade, and made again. The tools may be simple, but the vision is grand. Every revival is a victory against entropy and time. This work is more than a hobby, it is a form of art. Preserving the technology that shaped our world. And now, a new kind of silence waits to be broken. A forgotten voice, waiting to be heard once more. The principles of restoration are universal. First, the careful removal of what is broken. Then, the patient work of healing and renewal. This is where the true magic happens. The journey from decay to pristine condition is a long one. But with every step, the final vision becomes clearer. Now, a new story of revival begins. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, Mrescu, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.